Stop using ChatGPT. I'm serious. Now I know that sounds crazy, but after watching this video, you're gonna understand why millions of people are switching over to Claude AI. On December 8, 2025, NASA drove a rover on Mars, 400 meters across another planet. And did you know they used Claude AI to do this? It analyzed terrain photos, identified dangers, and utilized mapping for the safest route, and even wrote the actual code commands. Claude AI can even take over your computer. It can open up programs, open up spreadsheets, browse the internet for you, or just find the latest price on Bitcoin. All while you sit back and do nothing. And that's not even the best parts. In this video, I will teach you everything that you need to know about how to use Claude AI step by step. And we'll start from the basics. I'll show you how to create mega prompts with Claude AI. 90% of users use AI wrong. I'll show you the best strategy on how to let the AI create the most efficient prompts with AI. I'll then show you the difference between the browser version versus the app. Believe it or not, but they actually have different features. I'll then walk you through how to build full apps which you can let your clients use, and I'll even show you this really cool video game I created using AI. I'll then walk you through how to use skills. This thing can make your life a lot easier and make Claude AI work as a personal employee. Lastly, I'll show you connectors, plugins, co-work, and everything else Claude has to offer. So whether you're a complete beginner with AI or if you're a business owner just trying to work smarter, this is the only Claude AI tutorial you'll ever need to watch. So do me a favor, make sure to like this video because after watching this video, it's gonna change the way that you use AI forever. So let me walk you through how to use Claude AI.